What is up, guys? Today we will talk about the Upgrow, what it is, and how good it is. So, as we know, Upgrow is actually a AI-driven growth tool, which targets specific Instagram audience for organic followers growth. However, if we talk about the user friendliness, it is easy to set up with customizable growth settings. So it has easy user interface, which means even a beginner or a non-expert can use this as well. If we talk about the analytics, it gives you insights into follow trends and engagement rates. However, if we talk about the customer support of Upgrow, it has a fast 24 by 7 assistance with helpful guidance. Now, if we talk about the results, growth rates can differ based on niche targeting and competition. The results couldn't be like consistent. Sometimes it will be different for different niches. So this is what the Upgrowth does, and this is what it is. If you want to try it, you can go to their website and try it. That's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.